beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I did this beautiful, nice, easy hairstyle. So guys, this hairstyle is easy, but it's kind of tricky. It is easy, but it is also tricky at the same time. So if you want to make this kind of wig, you have to be really careful, especially if you are sewing it. If you want to use excuse me, if you want to use number 27, you use the same color of thread. If you want to use black like this one that I did, you should use color black. The thread that you use to sew it should also be black. And if you want to use color 33, you should also look for a similar color to the extension. Reason being that this if you want to sew it, the thread tends to stick out, so you don't want to worry yourself about that. So you should just use the same color as the hair. So yeah, but today I didn't use thread because I'm not ready to go through any edit, and of course I want it to be really fast, so I used my glue gun, hot gun. This is the one I used. And even using this hot glue gun doesn't mean that you'll be done in like you have to take your time to lay the hair and do it properly. It looks easy, it is kind of easy but tricky. You have to know what you are doing to achieve this hairstyle. So guys, I hope you all enjoy the video, so let's get right into the video. So for the wig cap, I'll be using the Expression Multi, a wig cap. I'm just showing you this wig cap. You can also use this type of wig cap for the wig, but for durability I won't be using this type of wig cap because, as you can see, it's really light. So this is the kind of wig cap that I will be using for durability. I want it to last, so I'll be using a thick one. And also I'll be making use of my hot glue gun, and then I placed my wig cap onto my mannequin head, and I want it to be a side part, so this is how I laid it. As you can see, it's not a middle part. I'm just trying to show you, and I had to cut out the ear area so it can fit the side of my head properly, my ear area. That's what I'm just showing you guys here. And then I started gluing the hair down with my hot glue gun. As you can see, it is easy. You just have to glue the hair very close to the previous one. That's just it, and I'll just continue gluing it down like so. So there is something that I've been thinking for a while now, guys. So I thought I should discuss it with you guys now. I wasn't sure all this while either to do it or not. I was still contemplating, but I think that I might do it. So I think it will be appropriate for me to let you guys know before actually doing it here, because you guys are the ones watching my videos. I'm not the one watching it myself, so I should let you guys know about what I've been thinking. I'm thinking that I should be doing videos, content that more than hair, not just hair content. I know the name of my channel is olahairessence, and I just thought I should be doing something more. Like, I cook a lot, so I think I should be uploading it on this channel as well. And also fashion, like try on alls and stuff like that, makeup, like different types of things. It's not as if I'll stop making hair. Of course, hair is part of me. It is what I've been doing for years, and I know that I'll always do it, but I just think I should be doing more than hair, so as to make this channel more entertaining. I don't know, you guys should just comment down below what you think about my thoughts. And I cook a lot, so I'm thinking I should be including that too on this channel. But I was just thinking that would it be nice for me to be uploading food videos on my hair channel. I don't know, but I know it's my channel and I can do anything I want, but you guys are the ones that are watching, so I want to know what your interests are. So that's it, guys. So just let me know in the comments section down below what your thoughts are about this. So when I got to the front part of the head, as you can see, I'm just cutting some pieces out and gluing it down straight. So that is what I'm doing right here, guys. As I've said earlier, the name of my channel is olahairessence, but when I start uploading things that more than just hair, I think I will have to change the name of this channel. I think most YouTubers have been changing the names of their channel recently, and I don't think it's appropriate the way they just change it, because I watch like 5 of them. I watch them and they've never ever, I know it is their channel and they can do anything they want with their channel, but they've never ever mentioned it, and the next thing you just see that they've changed the name of their channel. There's a particular YouTuber I watch a lot, and I was searching for her video, searching, and the video is right in my front, like I'm telling you guys, and I didn't click on it because she has changed the name of her channel, and I'm like, this is not what I'm looking for. But the thumbnail and everything looks so similar to our channel, and I was like, this is not the person. For like few days, then maybe on the 4th or 5th day, I was like, let me just click on this channel that YouTube have been recommending to me. Then I clicked on it and boom, it was a channel. I was really surprised. So that was why I thought that I should tell you people, you guys should know that I'll be uploading content that is more than hair. And also I will definitely, not even I will definitely change the name of my channel. At a point, it won't be too long that I'll change it. So I just want to let you guys know about that as well. So when I was done gluing the hair down, I cut the folded part out and I started stretching it out like this and trimming it as well, just to give it a nice finish. And yeah, I'm sorry guys that I've been talking a lot in this video. I just had to pass the information to you guys. And the hairstyle is kind of self-explanatory. Like, you can actually get what I'm doing without me giving any explanations. Like, watching it, you can actually get what I'm doing. So far you follow the natural hair curves, laying it, then you won't have any problem with doing this wig cap. So that's it, guys. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. If you did, you know what's up. You know what's up. give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and also share my video with family, friends, and your loved ones. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.